Do you want to know how you can turn on captions or subtitles on Amazon Prime? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the caption or subtitle on Prime Video. Go ahead and open any browser and go to primevideo.com. Make sure that you do have your account which you have subscribed to. Let's go ahead and click on play in this Die Hard 2 series or movie, and you can see subtitles and audio option. If you go to subtitles over here, you can see some of the subtitles available. So if you click on English and play the video, you will see some of the subtitles will appear on your screen, and you can also change it to other subtitles over here. So these are some of the subtitles provided. It will be different in most of the cases and most of the videos. So you can select this and choose your subtitles. I hope this video about how you can choose or enable caption or subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.